I've been thinking, lately it's just me against the world.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with CurlsCurls again. Last week was bomb, so let's see what we got from them today. Same packaging as before, super minimalistic and nice. And then as I open the box, I see the wig. Excuse my nails, I'm gonna get them done soon, okay? But yeah, this is the wig, and the only thing left in the box is, you know, this little CurlsCurls booklet. Usually, you know, with these little booklets or information and cards, it's just telling you about hair care and, you know, all that good stuff. So that's pretty much what's on the inside of that. And then we have the wig. So pretty much the only thing I got inside of the bag with the wig is this, you know, these little extra combs in case you might need it for your wig for like more security and stuff. So we're working with something completely different today. I have a curly, kinky curly bang bob today. Yes, this is a beautiful kinky curly texture, and this is 16 inches long. This is so full. This is so different. I believe I've always tried kinky curly texture, but never like in this color. So this is very exciting and different for me. I love the color job, the highlights. You guys know how I feel about this color, this type of color job. Absolutely no lace. This is to all my girlies who cannot deal with the lace. You don't have time to finesse the lace. Just leave the lace behind. You know, you just want to throw on something and go. This type of wig is for you. It's a standard cap construction, like a non-lace cap construction that has extra elastic band on the inside, and it's, you know, adjustable, so you can tighten it or loosen it to your liking. And there are also combs on the inside here. It's a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap and adjustable straps in the very back of that wig cap. It looks so good, you know, it really is very nice and standard. I love how full it is. It is on the coarse side. As I said, it's kinky curly. So you see, if you get this type of texture, you have to, if you plan on wearing this for like a number of days, you know, like in a row, like you want to be sure that you pay attention to it so it doesn't get matted and tangled, you know. But yeah, this looks so good. I feel like I really want to just show you guys this in its natural, like, texture, like the way it currently is. I feel like I want to tighten my extra elastic band that came on the inside. I usually use the back comb to, like, you know, slip it in so it's really secure and nice in the back. And this wig is super secure, like it's not going anywhere. It is not going anywhere. So you want to just like play around. I know it looks guys, I know it looks crazy right off the bat, but we're gonna play with it. I feel I'm gonna add some water to this as well, just to, like, you know, shape it more, kind of just mold it to my face a little bit more. But we're gonna you know, play around with it and see how it looks in its dry state before I go ahead and spritz it with any water at all. Because I know a lot of you girlies love a good voluminous curly look. So guys, you can keep on fluffing this and just make it get like bigger and bigger. Oh my god, this is just like, I've seen this type of look on so many occasions on so many beautiful women, and it's always like, listen, you see, when you rock this type of hairstyle, it just screams like confidence. It's a really stunning look. And yeah, you just have to, when you step out with a hairstyle like this, just be prepared for the eyes, because, you know, this is not an average look. I love how CurlsCurls just, like, they get it, you know? They get it. They really do. So yeah, this is pretty much it in its dry state, fluffed out. It's super secure in my head, guys. Super secure. Super secure. You have nothing to worry about. Even if the breeze blows super hard, you're not have to worry. Okay? And the construction of their wigs are like really like top tier. But this is a vibe. It's different. I love how I'm giving you guys variety. I've been giving you guys variety for a good amount of my hair videos. Like, I've been giving you different looks. Yeah, this definitely added to that. Definitely. But yeah, so now that you've seen it in its dry state, fluffed out, I'm gonna go in with some water, just to tame it and define the curls a little bit more.
I've been thinking, lately it's just me against the world. Round and round I'm caught up in this swirl, trying to dig and trying to burrow. Pressure turned this stone into a pearl. Lessons that I learned weren't always thorough, sugar-coated like a churro. Now I'm really out here on my own. Now my homies acting like I owe 'em, done extending out my arm. Made a lot of money from my poems. Been around it, now they say I'm on. I can finally say I'm up now. I'm up now. 20,000.
So it's definitely giving more controlled, like, you know, because, you know, I just spritz it with water, but I also fringed out the bang some more. So I really, really love it like this right now. It is super cute. Let me know what you guys think. This is giving me like a party vibe, you know, like party, like soca. Like, I'm gonna know if I the curls, if I the color, maybe it's just everything. It's giving me that vibe. It's giving me more of an upbeat type of vibe. So that's the kind of occasion I would rock this look at. Definitely. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comment section. I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link to the wig if you're interested in getting it for yourself. And the specifications will be in my description box as well. So go and check it. Go ahead and check it out. Shout out to CurlsCurls for this gorgeous wig look today. It is absolutely stunning. I love it. Different. Love it. So, because you know, CurlsCurls, their name says it all. They specialize in all the curly hair looks. All type of different curls. No matter if it's super tight or if it's super loose, they got it. So, yeah, CurlsCurls for the win when it comes onto a really good curly look. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I bust down, I'm on my way, I'm going up now, and I ain't never gonna touch down.